Hey guys, I'm gonna install some 6.5s in my pickup truck's doors, because the one that are on there, they're pretty messed up. Bear with me right here. Take this panel off. So one little, I don't know if I can get it from here. I don't think so. I don't know what I'm doing there. Yeah. Damn it. I gotta take this thing off. Damn it. Gotta find a way. I think this has a, I'm not sure, maybe not. You take this off, I forgot already. There you go, just like that. Of course, the light's not even on there. Gotta find a way to take that out. This one pops off. That's it. This one I'm using a 7mm socket. That's it. A screwdriver because I couldn't find an extension. Don't matter. Get the job done. That's one screw. I think this one just pops off. I might be wrong. This is a 03, so it might be different. I don't know. I don't see no screws anywhere else. Okay, what you do is just pop it off little by little. Yeah, you just pop it off. Yep, yeah, this one doesn't have one of those things. All you do is just grab it, kind of like, comes right off. Disconnect it, and speaker's right there. Just disconnect these wires. Yeah, this thing is being held on by one little 7mm. So once you pop it, it's gonna be in the bottom somewhere there. Take it off and boom, it's out. Disconnect and good to go. It's got little tabs. This last one, also a weird one. That one looks like forward. That's one, the trigger one. It has a little pin, you press down, boom, just like that, comes right off. Set that to the side. There's your speaker. I think it's just glued on. Oh, never mind. It's being held on by a little clip. It's a little bit hard, so. Damn it. It's never easy. Oh, damn, that thing's hard. Yeah, it's being held on by this little tab. It's a little bit hard. Disconnect it from there. Now you can replace. Oh man, this thing's bad. You see it? Disintegrated. Garbage. Yeah, I go with these Boss Elite, the B653s. Had it before. Sound pretty good. Oh yeah, I gotta do some wiring hack right there. Oh, it's snowing. So, yeah, bear with me. Yeah, this is a factory one. See, thing's gone. What I do, I just tear this shit off instead of making holes in there. That's how it's gonna look. Alright, tear all this shit down. Then just leave this bracket, the plastic one. That's the only thing I keep. Boom, like that. That's the bracket. That's the crappy factory speaker. Garbage. Oh, yeah. All I have to do is just put it back. You know, I'll just screw it back on there. Good to go. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Yeah, just take the factory wire, the grill, and just hack it off, you know, make it kind of smooth. Once you just set it over. Center it if you want. Oh, crap. Center it. Yep. That's how it looks when it, I trimmed it. You can see it's a little bit jagged, but it's not even close to the speaker. Once you put it in, it's sound 100% better than that. So, yep. So we do the same thing. Put this thing on, slide it back in that panel, screw it down, slide it back in, button it up, good to go. Peace. For the back ones, got two 7mm bolts. Yeah, whatever. Take those off. And this one, you put it on the top and just put it right on. Yeah, and I think this one just pulls out. This one's already broken, so just be careful.